The Dell Vostro laptops don't come with a disk tray. Instead, there's only a disk slot, much like a slot for SD cards. To play a DVD, you insert the disk into the slot and manually push it in. That's easy to do, but how do you eject the disk? If you look around the disk slot, you'll not see an eject button to get the DVD out of the slot. Even the laptop manual doesn't explain how the DVD should be ejected. The truth is there isn't a button you can press to eject the DVD. Instead, you have to use two keys on the keyboard. The first is the blue FN key. The second is the F10 key. On the F10 key, you'll see a blue disk eject icon. Now, on your Dell laptop, press the blue FN key and the F10 key together a few times. This will eject your DVD from the disk slot. Now you know how to easily eject a DVD from a Dell laptop. Go ahead and give it a try.